Most people, when they truly want to be successful, look all around them. And yet, every answer that any of us needs on what we need to be wealthy, whether it's relationship or a bank account, to feel fulfilled and like the work that we're doing matters, and to bring a sense of richness and joy into our lives, all of the answers to achieve those things are right here. So the question you have to ask yourself is, are you able to channel that energy, those ideas, that innovation, that ambition, and all the motivation that you could possibly need? And I'm telling you, you can. Please join me with my good friend, Victor Vargas, who is about to drop so much information on you about how to reawaken the lion within. And that is simply tapping into the neuroscience behind what makes us successful or what holds us back. And I really, really want you to be there. It's a 3-day workshop, but think about it this way. If you're stuck, if you don't have clarity, if you're not entirely sure why things work out the way that they do, or you want to be more strategic and intentional with the tasks and the activities that you go about every single day, you want them to work. You want people to say yes. You want them to listen to you. You want them to work with you. And on a personal level, you want them to be attracted to you. In 3 days, you will have the answer for that. Victor showed me the slides of what he's going to be presenting to you, and they absolutely blow my mind. I'll be coming in with some of the high performance habits and tactics that can make all of this, make it real for you, something that you can do every single day. And the combination between Victor's brilliance in the neuroscientific world and my studies and research in the world of high performance, you are going to leave with something truly magical. So please make sure you register below. Be one of the very few seats that we have opened up for this 3-day workshop and completely change the way that you go about your life, not only now, but for the years that come. I can't wait to see you.